Today, I will show the secret of expanding raised to the negative power. We are given the expression 3 plus root 5 over 2 whole raised to power of minus 7. Our goal is find the value of this expression. Binomial expression for the negative powers, the formula is a plus b whole power minus n. The formula is 1 over a power n times 1 plus minus n times b over a plus minus n times minus n minus 1 times b over a whole power 2 and so on. Suppose if you take n value as 7, then we can write this as applying in this binomial expression, then we will get 1 over a power n times 1 minus 7 b over a plus 28 b over a whole power 2 minus 84 b over a whole power 3 and so on up to 8 terms. We are going to solve here up to 8 terms, but it is a bit complex to simplify each and every term. That's why today I am going to show in different way to solve this expression. That is, let us consider x equal to 3 plus root 5 over 2. Just take only this expression. The power don't take. Just simplify this first. 2x minus 3, that is equal to root 5. Isn't it? To get rid of the square root, do square on both sides. Then after it is in the form of a minus b whole square. After expanding, then you will get 4x raised to 4 of 2 plus 9 minus 12x, that is equal to 5. Isn't it? So then this equal to 4x raised to 4 of 2 minus 12x, that is equal to 5 minus 9, which gives minus 4. All the terms in multiple of 4. So let's divide by 4 on both sides. Then you will get x raised to 4 of 2 minus 3x, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 indicates lower powers. So that's why multiply both sides by minus x raised to 4 of n. After considering this expression as x, we converted this expression into quadratic expression. So if you multiply with minus x raised to 4 of n, then we are converting into recursion function for x to the n. So if you multiply here both sides with minus x raised to 4 of n, then our expression turns into minus x raised to 4 of n plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 x raised to 4 of n plus 1, that is equal to, we have minus into minus plus 1 times x raised to 4 of n, which gives x raised to 4 of n. So we converted into recursion function. Power n, that is equal to 3x power n plus 1 minus x raised to 4 of n plus 2. So if you write in terms of f of n, we can write this as 3 f of n plus 1 minus f of n plus 2. So this is our recursion function. Now use this relation. We are going to calculate the values of f of n for n equal to minus 1 to minus 8. Because our expression we have x whole power minus 7. That means we are going to get 8 and that's why we need to find up to minus 1 to minus 8. Let's take n equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 equal to 3 times f of minus 1 plus 1, which gives 0 only, minus 1 plus 1, which gives 0 only. So this is f of 0 minus f of minus 1 plus 2, which gives plus 1. So 3 times f of 0 is nothing but 0 only. 3 times 0 is nothing but 0. So this value is 0 minus f of 1, the value is 1. So that is equal to minus 1. Similarly, we are going to find all the values up to minus 8. So this is 3 f of, if minus 2 plus 1, which gives minus 1, minus f of minus 2 plus 2, which gives 0. And we know that f of 0, the value is 0. And 3 times f of minus 1. Just now we found f of minus 1, the value is minus 1. So f of 2, the value is minus 3. So f of minus 2, the value is minus 3. So now I'm going to take f n value is minus 3. So f of minus 3 equal to 3 times f of minus 3 plus 1, which gives f of minus 2, minus f of minus 3 plus 2, which gives minus 1. So f of minus 1. So just now we found out f of minus 2, the value is minus 3. So this value is minus 3. Minus f of minus 1, the value is minus 1. So this value is minus 9. And this is plus 1, which gives minus 8. Similarly, f of minus 3, the value is minus 8. Similarly, after finding, so f of minus 4, the value is minus 21. So then, like that, f of minus 5, the value is minus 55. Similarly, f of minus 6, the value is minus 144. F of minus 7, the value is minus 377. F of minus 8, the value is minus 987. After calculating these 8 terms, now take the general formula for the recursion function. So that is f of n times x plus minus 1 times f of n minus 1. This is the coefficient of x and constant term f of n. So here we need to take n equal to minus 7. So f of n, the value is, just now we found minus 377. So just take minus 377. Then f of x is nothing but f of x here. So f of x, the value is 3 plus root 5 over 2. This is our given expression, plus minus 1 times f of minus 7 minus 1, which is f of minus 8. So f of minus 8, the value is minus 987. Minus time minus plus, so you just write 987. So after simplifying, then you will get 843 minus 377 root 5 over 2. So this is the answer of that expression. So without expanding, we found this expression value. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.